So I am about to show you how I made this cute little bird for your Woodlands mobile. This one is a blue bird, but I'm gonna show you how to make a more natural one because I have a bunch of these really awesome natural feathers that I'm gonna use. So first thing is you wanna cut out your template. What I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start from the left side because I kinda wanna layer the feathers to go this way. So you start with like the base like this way and then you just keep kinda laying the feathers over. Okay, so first I'm going to trim this, put some glue. So now I wanna fill out the body, and so I'm thinking that I could use these same feathers. You can really be creative with it. We also have this natural gray duck. That's really awesome. That'll be in your kit. You could use these. You can kind of, just use whatever you want. But I think I'm gonna fill it out with just like some browns. Okay, and the next insect that we're gonna do is a bee. So I'm gonna probably wanna do a couple layers of these. Okay, so for the last one, I'm gonna make a couple butterflies. I was thinking that I would use these guinea feathers. I think that the ends of them kind of look like butterfly wings, so we'll just kind of give it a go. So I'm gonna use these black goose satinet. They have a bunch of different sizes in there, like you can find little ones or really big ones, so if you wanted to make really big butterflies, there's ones for that. So now that I have all of my little feather animals and insects made, in the kit, we give you guys this kind of stretchy, I don't even know what the word for it is, but it's kind of like a rope. And they come in all these fun colors. And I want to do these like all different lengths. So some that are really short and like close to the stick, and some that are a little bit longer. Now that we have all of our animals attached to this string, let's start adding them to our stick. Just gonna wrap it around a couple times, and then I'm just gonna tie it in a knot. So I attached all of the little feather animals and insects that I made. I'm going to also add like a little bit more decoration up here on the stick.